got in a little tussle. Let's see if I can show my scary self. See his ear right there? Poor baby. He is a bully cat. I can't keep him in the house for more than a half hour. He likes to be out and about. My son named him Zeljan after the symbols. It's my son's cat. But he lives here with Grandma. Poor baby. Yeah. Good morning. I know I look scary, and I'm brave to put myself on camera like this. But if it looks really bad when I'm editing, yes, of course. Snip, snip. Oh, the boo-boo. Anyway, I've just been sitting out here this morning. I had my coffee. Mama's inside, and I'm out here giving love to Zaljan, praying. I'm praying. I'm doing my morning prayer for all my grandbabies and their mommies and their daddies over my family. I do. Oh, you want to? Are you gonna play with my hair like a dead kitty? Okay. What? See, he's such a meanie. Well, he's not a meanie. He's a sweetheart, but he is a bully cat. I don't know. I think he thinks he needs to guard this house. We live on a corner lot in a cul-de-sac, and he basically runs this whole cul-de-sac. Yes, he's a neutered cat. He's been neutered since he was a baby. But that doesn't stop him. He has a girlfriend, a little kitty, a little teenager looking kitty. She's really cute. He lets her come here and eat his food. Any other cat that tries to come around, he'll beat them up. He's a fighter. It's funny though for him to let this little girl, it's a little orange kitty, little tabby looking cat. Yeah, he likes her. He says, come on over and have dinner with me. I'll show you. I haven't gone out in the yard, but we're having an overcast day. It rained last night. It's not cold, it's a bit humid. Come on, Zeldy. Here he comes. Come to Grandma. Come on, baby boy. Mama's making tamales this morning. She has everything she needs except for the masa. So we are, in a couple minutes, I'm going to go in there and get myself ready for the day. And we are going to go over to Vallarta to pick up the masa. And I don't know, usually we make tamales during Christmas time or New Year's. But Mom, when we went to the grocery store yesterday, she saw the meat. She's like, oh, this would be perfect for tamales. And she turns around and says, I feel like making tamales. I don't care that it's not Christmas time. I'm like, well, there's no rules against that. So we got most of what she needed because we were at Food Co. They didn't have the masa there at Food Co. So I know for sure at Vallarta they do because they make everything fresh at Vallarta. You get the fresh corn tortillas, flour tortillas, sweet bread, fresh breads of all sorts, foods, and I mean they have cooked food. I love that store. In fact, I'll take you with me. It's gonna be loud because they blast that Mexican music in there to give that Mexico effect. The, what do they call that? It's not a carniceria because it's a full grocery store. A carniceria is like a butcher shop, a meat shop. Kind of like that video I put up yesterday where those people trying to sell me meat door to door. A marqueta. I guess that's what it's called in Spanish. I'm bilingual. I didn't grow up speaking Spanish, but I taught myself Spanish as a little kid because I was nosy. My mom and my aunties and everybody, when they started gossiping, they would switch over from English to Spanish, and that's when I started telling myself I need to learn that Spanish so I could know what they were talking about. So, plus both my grandparents were they're no longer with us, but they were all Spanish speaking. They all understood English, but they spoke their primary language, which was Spanish. So I would communicate with my grandparents in English. They understood me, and they would, communicate back with me in Spanish, and I understood them. But as I got older, I got braver and started learning how to speak it. And for work, I went to the BC and got me a bilingual certificate for work. And, but, I'm a self-proclaimed bocha. That's what I am. I'm bocha. My Spanish is sometimes could be comical, but hey, I can still communicate with the other side. And by the other side, I mean people that don't speak, that speak Spanish. I remember one time, many, many years ago, I went with my friend. We went to Jamaica for a vacation. And she picked up, this guy was picking up on her. She befriended a guy that was on vacation. He was on vacation alone, which I thought was kind of strange. But that's just my opinion. He was from Italy. And he didn't speak a word of English, just Italian. And the Italian language and the Spanish language they're not the same. And they're not even really close. But he understood some of my Spanish, I think, because being from Europe, they were probably accustomed to hearing the people from Spain speak their dialect of Spanish. So I kind of sort of translated for them, which was kind of comical and fun at the same time. But we spent, I think, a day on the beach with him. And then the next day we had like a meal. We had, I think it was lunchtime at the beach. And it was fun, communicating with people from another country. I don't know why. I can babble. Looking ugly like this, I can babble. Anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna go get myself ready. See you in a bit. Toodles. Wow. Boo! I'm doing a testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2. I found the wire cord to this camera.
Recorded that guy, right?
I did, and I got it. He's cleaning his huevos. I can't fix my hair because I can't put both arms up, and look how messy it looks.
I washed everything. Look, I put it in at 8 o'clock. The poker's right there. Look at the poker.
Let me turn the light on. Oh, how beautiful. Yeah.
Este no tiene mucha carne.
Well, we'll get another one. That's the tamales.
I was just telling, I got everything ready. I was just telling Lala, they're washed and clean.
Okay.
And this is for me to put in the sauce. I just left everything ready there. I got a bag, that Winnie bag. And Rich Grove, they had a VFW over there. We go to the dances over there.
In Rich Grove, and where else?
And Rich Grove and Delano.
Okay.
The VFW. And my mother, it was Christmas and all the special occasions.
Uh-huh.
Sheena, Celia, Ruth. Well, I wasn't there age when they went, but they also did it like we did.
Uh-huh.
And we would invite Ophelia and Eddie, her boyfriend, her husband, and then Dolores and Louie, and Ophelia. The chicken is to die for.
Bella, say hi. It's raining, it's pouring.
And the old man is snoring. You go that way?
Yes. You little spoiled monkey. Yes, you're a monkey. No. And it's a spoiled monkey. Look at you. Bella, look at me. Bella. you making fun of my...
This is a walker.
It was a walker. Is it a walker from The Walking Dead? I had that in my mind.
They're not going to be on tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the fear of the Walking Dead.
They want me to watch my cholesterol and everything.
What are you doing this Sunday morning?
I should get ready to go to school.
Say hello.
Grandma don't want to be a superstar no more.
Tamales.
You know, I wish I could heat her on cold for me, and then get through where everybody's windows up.
Make a workout, huh? Working out the brain.
Look at that sky. It rained all night. Steady, heavily, and lots of thunder and lightning. The school alarm ran from 10 p.m. last night until 7:30 a.m. I know the fire department was here and the police were here at 5 a.m. They responded to it, even though it started at 10 p.m. Anyway, it continued on through the entire night, and I heard it, along with the rain, all night long. What did you say? Do you have something to say to me? What, baby? Please bear with me. I'm having so much fun with this camera. I found the cord to it, so now I'm getting reacquainted with it. So happy I found it. I don't see ducks. Taking selfies.
You are so glamorous.
Right? Why not? I better get whatever last of my whatever I'm trying to hang on to, because like in 5 minutes I'm gonna be 65.
Well, you're not already?
Cállate.
My pal.